From this before to this after. So, ang tanong ngayon, bakit nga ba iniba or nirepaint yung Davao City Hall? So, ang pinakadahilan talaga is the Davao City or the Davao City Hall will celebrate 100 years. So, since na-built siya 1926 and we are now in the year 2026, so celebrate siya ng 100 years. And also, pangalawa, in preparation also for the araw ng Davao City. So, yan po ang rason, dahilan kung bakit nirepaint yung Davao City Hall. So, the original color talaga nito since 1926 is white. So, parang binalik lang nila yung dating original color talaga niya. Since 1926. So, nagiging siyang classical yung pintura niya. So, we are thankful kasi standard talaga yung mga materials. So, hindi substandard. So, napaka-solid talaga. So, imagine 100 years later. So, stand out pa rin yung City Hall natin. So, ang ganda niya tingnan, napakalinis at saka naging para siyang White House dito sa Davao City.